how to set up security key in Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. To set up a security key, you'll need to go to settings. So go to the search bar and then open up the settings. So once you're there, on the left hand side, you'll find various options. You'll need to go to accounts, and under account settings, you'll find sign in options. Tap on it, and here you'll find security key. Tap on it, and then you'll find the manage option. So once you tap on manage, you'll see you'll need to insert your security key into the USB port. And once you do that, you just need to follow the instructions and then set it up. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.